Okay, new arrival, a 24 plate Land Rover Defender 110. Fantastic looking vehicle, this in Eiger Grey. It's an X-Dynamic SE, 3 litre diesel, D250 engine, warranty and breakdown assistance with the dealer until 2027. Great price, exceptional off-road, on-road performance for this. Being the SE, we've got electric seats, we've got memory seats, we've got Meridian sound, we've got opening roof, we've got adaptive cruise. Also got a real key look to it, 110 bonnet decal. The metal work to the bottom, midsection and badging. Mirrored at the rear as well. The X-Dynamic styling, that is what that is. You've also got matrix lights, as so, 20-inch wheels, which are 5-arm. And then because we've got the X-Dynamic styling package, you've got the contrast between the Eiger Grey and the black painted arches, side profile, steps, mud flaps, roof rails. All these are extra over and above options when you buy this car from the dealer. Now then, Defender 110, obviously 5 doors, big boot, lots of space, lots of practicalities, and a very, very, very popular car with us. We sell lots and lots of these vehicles because of its road presence, its durability, the space you've got throughout the car. And when you get the SE, you're getting yourself a car which has got a little bit more of the options which you'll use every day. Privacy glass, keyless entry. Then you look at the seats, we've got leather and Rustex seating, which are memory for driver and passenger with the Meridian sound system. These are all things that really, when you jump in a Defender, the electric seats are nice to have, so you don't have to manually move the seats forwards and back. You can then memorize them for different drivers in your family, workplace, whatever it might be. And you'll see as you walk around it, as you'd expect, it's a 24 plate car. It's in a fantastic order throughout. So if you're looking at the video or you're looking at buying from a distance, please buy with confidence. Step's going to help me get into any Defender because it's high up off the road, and that's what's so good about them, because the driving position is fantastic. Things you're going to get on this car from the SE is the adaptive cruise. This car will basically drive itself, keeping a distance from the traffic in front of you. Lane assist, blind spot assist. Then we've got heated seats, digital climate control, heated front and rear screens, touchscreen interface with Pivi Pro, which gives you wireless smartphone integration, 360 camera, reverse camera, 3D camera, lots of four-wheel drive and terrain settings, pretty much everything from a modern four-wheel drive you'd expect. Black headlining and opening sunroof, tilt and slide with the blind. So really the key ingredients are all there for a fantastic price with the Land Rover warranty and breakdown assistance. We do very well with these cars. You'll see us selling lots and lots of them. Another fantastic one just arrived. If you're interested, my number's on the screen. It's Richard. Please call me. Thanks for watching.